Hey everyone, welcome to part 2 of Behind the Build, where we take you through our construction process from start to finish. In the first part, we talked about our planning process, which is everything we do before we put a shovel into the ground. Now we are on to the exciting part, construction. So let's grab our PPE gear and head out into the field to take a good look at what we will be talking about in today's video.
Hey everybody, I'm Nick McManus. I'm a manager of construction for LiveOak Fiber in the Florida markets for us. Wanted to get together with y'all and talk about the construction process and how we start. So one of the first things we do is we do a white lining of an area where we'll go out and tell the utility providers where to mark their utilities. We'll call in a dig ticket for Florida Sunshine 811, notifying all utility owners in the area to come and locate their facilities for us. So what you see here, several different colored flags and paint on the ground. Each color has its own meaning. So what we have here is a blue flag. This is indicative of a water line in the ground. We also have orange paint and flags, which is a standard for telecommunications lines in the ground. Some colors you don't see here are red. Normally when you see a red paint or a red flag on the ground, that is indicative of power lines in the ground. Here in this case, the power lines are actually overhead, so we don't have any locates on the ground for that. Other colors you may see are yellow, which is a gas line. Another color you may see, should see, is green for sewer lines. So the water companies usually maintain the water and the sewer in an area. So when the blue paint goes down, normally the green paint goes down with it. In this case, we can see green paint across the road here. And we know everyone should have a green line to their house or a blue line to their house. So the part of this process is for us to identify any hazards or issues in the area with our design and make sure that we can accommodate those and make sure we can avoid utility strikes to cause disruption of service to your home. So we want to make sure we're doing everything possible to avoid hitting a utility. So that's why we go extra precautions of digging and showing each of these utilities before we cross them with our drill. Okay, so we got two primary methods of conduit placement, underground installation for the conduit that we like to use here at LiveOak Fiber. The one you see behind me is what we call HDD, horizontal directional drilling. And this is the process of using a drill to drill through the ground at a specified depth, grab the conduit and pull it back through each hole. And then on each end of that, we will place our hand holes to finish our construction so that we can pull fiber, place mule tape, pull fiber, do our splicing and get you guys service. So this is our preferred method. It's faster. We use it for longer runs, for longer shots. And it's, like I said, one of our two preferred methods. Okay, so what we have behind us here is our second preferred methodology of underground placement of conduit. When we're building our network, this is called missiling. It's a pneumatic missile that is placed in a trench or a pit, we call it. It's leveled out. There's a pit on each end of where the shot is going to be performed. A crew will watch it go through into the hole, watch it come out of the hole to verify it goes straight and through the hole and make sure it hits the other side. Once it's through the other side, they'll pull a string back and then they'll pull a pipe back with it. Okay, so where we're at now, we've finished construction. We finished the mainline construction, putting in the hard part, the conduit, pulled fiber in. Now we're down to the final step of our construction phase, which is splicing. So what you see behind me here is a typical splicing trailer setup where we'll connect and fuse our fibers together to connect our network. So in order to be able to provide you with the internet service.
Now that you know what our construction process looks like and the methods we use to build out our high-speed fiber optic network, you're ready to move on to the installation phase. So stay tuned for part 3 of Behind the Build, where I'll take you on a ride-along with one of our technicians to install a customer.